Okay, so start working. So it's going to be a new part, and I'm going to do the kitchen counter first. And this is how simple it's going to be. File, save as. I'll call it the kitchen sink. Okay, so I'm going to start a sketch. That's where we always start. And I'm going to put it on that plane. And I'll just make it, always go the wrong way. So probably, I don't know. I'm just going to make it 20 inches deep by 30 inches tall. And it's really important that I have those parameters on it. And now I'm going to extrude it both directions, and I'll make it go 24 inches. I'll make it 36 inches long, just for fun. Okay, now here's the cool part. This is what's really awesome. I go over here and I look at something called parameters, and I look at them. Those are all in there. So this is my counter width, counter height, counter depth. Nope. Length. Now check this out. Let's say, oh, they want it a little bit bigger. I'll make it 48. Changes. And up, it's supposed to be 32. Changes. And up, it's supposed to be 20. This is the parameter thing that is so cool. Isn't that awesome? Okay, now on here, I'm going to go from the midpoint, and I'll put my sink on the midpoint. And again, I don't care how big it is, because I'll be able to put dimensions on it. And I'll be able to sink it in. Go back the other way, and let me make it 12 inches deep. So there we go. I've got a sink. That's good enough. Okay, but I need two little connectors. I need one for the three little connectors. I need a connector for the, and they don't have to be very big. And those are going to be where I'm going to hook up my there we go. And I'll make them like 0.25 long. They're just there so that when it's time for me to make a connection, I got something to make a connection on. Now maybe I want to do another one. This is my favorite program, by the way. Can you tell? I flippin' love this. Let me go. That. And now I'm going to go here. And I'm going to draw a little circle. You don't have to do this. You're essentially done if you want to be. But now check this out. I'm going to sweep that. Oops. Select my profile. Along my path. Why isn't that letting me sweep it along the path? Sweep. Why is it doing that? There it goes. There, I kind of made my sink, right? And that's plenty good enough for what we need. So I'm going to let you play around and try to make one for the kitchen, one for the shower, and it's just a block. We don't have to get into it. It's just taking up space. And then one for the toilet. And I'll let you play around with those. And then eventually we'll put them into Revit and we'll hook things up and get all of our calculations from it. Cool?